The world's energy needs are immense. We consume a staggering 15 terawatts of power daily, enough to light 10 billion light bulbs. The concerning part, a whopping 80% comes from fossil fuels, a limited resource. If we continue at this pace, we could face challenges in meeting our energy demands within the next half century. There has to be a better way, and some scientists believe they have an answer. Helium-3. Helium-3 is a special kind of helium, much lighter than the stuff in your party balloons. It's like the helium's little brother. However, they have one key difference. Regular helium has 2 neutrons, and helium-3 only has 1. This unique property makes it a superstar in the world of nuclear fusion. Fusion is where atoms are smashed together to release incredible amounts of energy, like a mini sun. Here is where helium-3 shines. When you fuse it with another isotope called deuterium, you get a reaction with amazing benefits. Helium-3 would cause none of that radioactive waste that traditional nuclear energy causes. This creates a cleaner and more healthy source of energy. With only a small amount of fuel, helium-3 could provide the same amount of energy, if not more than its nuclear counterpart. The fusion process for helium-3 requires a lower temperature than most other fuels, making it easier to control and utilize. Sounds perfect, right? So why aren't we all switching to helium-3 power? There's a catch. Availability. Helium-3 is scarce to find on Earth. Most forms of helium-3 on Earth come from the decay of another isotope that doesn't last long. Our current supply, dismantling nuclear weaponry, doesn't seem like a long-term plan. But there's a ray of hope. The solar wind constantly bombards the moon, which deposits helium-3 on its surface. Scientists believe millions of tons of helium-3 are trapped in this moon dust, and mining this resource could provide a practically endless supply for fusion reactors. In fact, the video game Deliver Us the Moon explores this very concept. The story follows an astronaut tasked with retrieving helium-3 from a lunar facility to power a failing Earth. Sure, it's technically difficult and expensive, but the potential rewards are massive. Helium-3 fusion could be the key to a clean and sustainable future for all, leading to less nuclear waste. While helium-3 may be a solution to only one of our many problems, it shows how games like Deliver Us the Moon can spark our imaginations and inspire us to find solutions for a brighter tomorrow.